Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a full face picture watermark in Google Docs. So let's started. At first open your Google Docs document. In this video, I will show add a full face picture watermark. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now click for watermark option. Now we show the interface, then select from an image. Now click. Now click for browse option. Now select from image. Now select for open option. Now you can see, then I show the interface, then click from scale. Now click for 200%. That is. Now you can see, then click for done option. That is. Now you can see picture full face watermark in Google Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.